In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscriptions on Woofz. To get started, open the Woofz app or go to the Woofz website, then sign in using the same account you originally used when you purchased the subscription. This part is important because cancellation options are tied to the account and the platform where the subscription was created. Before you cancel, first figure out where you originally subscribed. With Woofz, that could be through the Woofz's website, the Apple App Store, or Google Play. The cancellation method depends entirely on that original purchase source. If you subscribe through the Woofz's website, open your web profile and look for the subscription section. Once you're there, choose cancel subscription or turn off auto renewal depending on the wording shown on your screen. After that, complete any confirmation steps that appear. In some cases, you may see a short cancellation questionnaire. Just follow the prompts, confirm the cancellation request, and then wait for the message confirming that your subscription has been canceled. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store, the cancellation has to be done through your Apple device settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, tap your Apple ID at the top, and then select Subscriptions. Find and tap Woofz, then tap Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. If the option doesn't appear, that can sometimes mean the subscription is already canceled or managed differently under that account. If you subscribe through Google Play, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon. From there, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Select Woofz, tap Cancel Subscription, and follow the on-screen instructions until the process is complete. Once you've canceled, check your email for a cancellation confirmation and also verify that the subscription status now shows as canceled. That extra check helps make sure everything went through successfully. Keep in mind that you'll usually continue to have access to premium features until the end of your current billing period, unless the service states otherwise. Also, simply deleting the Woofz app or even deleting your account does not automatically cancel the subscription, so make sure you complete the cancellation through the correct billing platform. To avoid being charged for another renewal, it's best to cancel at least 24 hours before your next billing date. And if you run into any problems,